Welcome back to week 2 of our series, Manage Diseases from Head to Toe. Today we'll discuss on thyroid dysfunction, why it happens, the main causes, and how nutrition may help in supporting the thyroid gland. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland in the neck. It produces hormones which controls metabolism, energy, heart rate, and also body temperature. When hormone levels are not right, which leads to two scenarios. One is hypothyroidism and the other one is hyperthyroidism. First, hypothyroidism, which means the thyroid is underactive, so the body slows down. The common causes includes Hashimoto's thyroiditis, iodine deficiency, prior neck radiation, and also certain medications. So typical signs includes fatigue, weight gain, feeling cold, dry skin, hair loss, constipation, heavy or irregular periods, and low mood. Next is hyperthyroidism. Here the thyroid is hyperactive, so the body speeds up. The common causes of hyperthyroidism is Graves' disease, toxic nodular goiter, or too much of iodine, and signs often includes rapid heartbeat, anxiety or irritability, tremors, heat intolerance, sweating, weight loss despite a good appetite, and more frequent stools. Some people develop eye changes as well. Why does dysfunction happen at all? In many people, the immune system misidentifies thyroid tissue and creates inflammation or overstimulation. Genetics can raise the risk. Iodine intake that is too low or too high can tip the balance. Prior neck radiation, thyroid surgeries, and also certain medication can shift the hormone levels. Nutrition can also influence thyroid balance over the time. Iodine is required for the production of thyroid hormones. Severe deficiency lowers T4 and T3 and raises TSH, which causes goiter and also hypothyroidism. Universal salt iodization has reduced this problem in many countries. Supportive nutrients include selenium for the conversion of T4 to T3, zinc for TSH synthesis, omega-3 fats for inflammation control, vitamin D for immune balance, and also key vitamin B for energy metabolism. Use food first and pair it with medical advice. Key takeaway: hypothyroidism is underactive and slowed system. Hyperthyroidism is overactive and speed up system. Autoimmunity is a major driver. Both are common, both are manageable with proper medical care. Balanced iodine and other key nutrients like selenium, zinc, omega-3, vitamin D, and vitamin B12 helps with overall health management. But proper medical treatment helps in addressing the hormonal imbalance.